Hi everyone, in this video I am going to create travel map animation like this. So you might be wondering that I am going to create this animation using After Effects or Premiere Pro. But today I am going to make this animation using a website. So first of all you have to search mult.dev. Here we have this website. You have to click this icon here, and after going into this icon, so I am going to delete these countries. So I'm adding few random countries here. You can actually add a lot of countries here. You can also change this icon, but these are only available in paid version. So after selecting the countries, click on options. Here you can change the canvas. You can also change the style from here, and you can also change the background color. Here you have some paid features. After setting everything, you just have to close this panel and wait. So as you can see, our animation is ready. So to download it, just click export. Here you have option to change the resolution. In free version, there are only two resolutions available and 24, 25 and 30 FPS available. After that, you just have to click download. As you can see, it is rendering. So as the video has been rendered, just click on download to download the video. If you know more websites like this, comment below. Thanks for watching.